Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Yeah, I'm just here to welcome you to my space. Feel free, enjoy, and you're gonna love it in this house. It's definitely always warm here. So I'm going to be sharing with you how we spent our week or how our past week has been since my mom has been here with me in Korea. So we went for this musical concert that was hosted in Sokcho. Yeah, like some kind of orchestra or something like that. So we went there. These were the people, as you can see on the poster. Those were the ones we were going to be singing. So here we were trying to check in, and then we went in for the music. So while we were inside waiting for the people to come, we were asked not to take videos once the program starts. So I was only able to get videos when we just walked in while we were waiting for them to come and sing. Phones were not allowed after this point. So yeah, I just took a video of how the hall looked like. It was big and full of people. Yeah, and it was beautiful. So we were at the back. Our seat was comfortable. Yeah, all our seats were comfortable, and we were just preparing to, watch the show. It was interesting. So at this time, they were giving us the instructions and telling us, oh, we don't want phones allowed. Yeah. So in a few minutes, we're going to start. And yeah, we enjoyed the show and it was amazing. Yeah, so after this was another day. I took my mom out to try Chinese food. We're having Chinese rice and then we're having lamb. Yeah, so I wanted her to try out this Chinese food. So here we're enjoying our meal.
Different. This is not Korean style food. Yeah, when we first came here, we could not eat anything. So our friend brought us here. That's how I knew that anybody that comes can come and eat here. Mama is grilling. Look at our good meat.
Good meat.
Yes. Good meat.
Good meat.
And then our rice, fried rice with egg.
And more good meat.
More good meat.
To grill and enjoy.
Today is our day out, so we have to relax and enjoy.
Mm.
I enjoy. I wish I had more to do. Daddy, we are out and about today. Today we are doing Chinese. Today is roast people. It's a grilling day.
3 hours over.
Mama has already eaten half before I remember to take video. This is my own. Another fish is baking in the oven.
Inquire. And you can eat on board.
Bon appetit.
Merci.
Bande van. Yeah, enjoying the Sunday. We have fish on board. Cannot wait for mine. Fry my plantain. Now it's brighter. You put only small sauce. But this is what you tell people. Is the meal moving?
Yeah.
When was the last time you enjoyed fish?
You don't know.
So these 2 days have been good. Say nene and
Nene.
then fish.
So here we have a traditional meal called achu in Cameroon. Yeah, I really love the meal, and Mama was just here teaching me how to make achu. So yeah, I was there learning how to make achu because Mama is really an expert at making achu. She makes like the best achu. So she was teaching me the process. So let's just enjoy the rest of the process of making achu.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just 2 hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top.
that will pull. I've already finished it. You see oil? See oil. Oil. Sometimes it can reduce with bad oil too. That's olive.
Okay.
So I just blending now. Let's see if it for the consistency.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be.
Nah, this is a risk, no. Let's go. Mama is smashes no with her heavy booty. Mama has the experience with the snow. Really? Ah, it's not cool. Oh God, that's a snowy day. Ish. Too much.
Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you get all my notifications. God bless you. Please like this video. Until my next video. Bye.